Good day everyone, welcome back to our class. And our lesson for today is all about starting with MS Excel. So for today, we will discuss the MS Excel. What is MS Excel? Microsoft Excel is a computerized worksheet. It has the standard features of an electronic spreadsheet which uses cells that are represented in rows and columns designed to perform arithmetic operations. So that is the MS Excel. It is used to calculate numeric information such as budgets, income, expenses, specific and statistical data. It can also organize information such as inventory, work schedules, projects, invoices, and address lists. It can also be used to create forms and summarize data in charts and pivot tables. MS Excel is widely used in accounting and financial applications, as well as in statistics and engineering calculations. The program supports and displays graphs, charts, and histograms from a given set or groups of data. So that is the MS Excel and its uses. So this is the MS Excel. If you open your MS Excel in your computer, it will be look like this. So MS Excel is a spreadsheet application program created by Microsoft Corporation. It is one of the programs included in Microsoft Office Suite. It can be interfaced with various accounting software so that it can be a source of data or display results in spreadsheet form. So, what is a worksheet? A worksheet is an on-screen spreadsheet that contains various cells in columns and rows. By entering information in the form of labels, values, and formulas into the worksheet cell, you create tables or spreadsheets useful for summarizing, organizing, analyzing, and graphing data. So what is a workbook? If there is a worksheet, there is a workbook. So a workbook contains one or more worksheets, which are automatically named the sheet tabs as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3, and so on and so forth. You can add, delete, color, and rearrange the sheet tabs. So, this is the MS Excel. If you will open it from your computer, if you open your MS Excel, this would be the first thing you can see. So here we have the templates. These are the templates. This is for the online templates. You can search for a template that you can use with your worksheet. This is what we call the blank worksheet. And this is the recent files. Here you can see the files that you are working before or your recent workbook that you are working on. So when you enter the blank sheet, you will see like this in the picture or in your screen. So parts of the MS Excel. So let's discuss one by one. So first one, we have Quick Access Toolbar. So Quick Access Toolbar provides access to the most common Excel commands, including save, undo, repeat, and copy, just like MS Word. Next, we have the title bar. Title bar shows the open program and the name of the open file. Next, we have the window control buttons. It contains 3 buttons: minimize, which minimize the window; maximize, which restore the window; and close, which closes the window. And this is the file menu. Provides access to the menu in Office 2016. When you click this button, it shows the following menus: Info, New, Open, Save, Save As, Print, Share, Export, Publish, Close, Account, Feedback, and Option. So here, it is what you call the ribbon. It contains the commands organized in 3 components. First one, we have tabs. Tabs provide access to many tools and contain related groups. Next, we have the groups. It organizes related commands. And lastly, we have the commands appear in each group. So we have the ribbon, and the ribbon contains tabs, which is home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view. And the groups are organized related commands. And third is the command in each group. Next part is the name box. Shows the cell reference of the active cell. This can also be used to locate a cell. Next, we have formula bar, the area where you can enter or edit text or formulas. Next, we have the active cell, a cell that is selected. The active cell is indicated in the name box at the formula bar. And this white sheet on your screen with tables and columns, this is called the cell. A cell is the rectangular area where a column and a row intersects. Each cell is identified by a cell reference, which is its column and row location. Next, we have the worksheet. Each workbook contains worksheets with sheet tabs located at the bottom of the worksheet. You can add a worksheet and you can also delete. You can rename it and you can color each worksheet. So, here is the workbook, a file that contains one or more worksheets which you can use to organize various kinds of related information. Next, we have the scroll bar. Allows you to easily go to the top or bottom, left or right of the worksheet. Next, we have the view button. Display different views of the worksheet such as normal, page layout, or the page break. And next, the ribbon display option. Shows or hides ribbon, tabs, and commands. So that is our lesson for today. I hope you understand and I hope you gain a new knowledge about the parts of the MS Excel and the uses of it. Thank you very much for listening. God bless everyone. Keep safe. Bye!